name is Yogendra Singh Negi. I am the Chief Technical Officer and Director of Brilica Services Private Limited. So Brilica Services Private Limited, it's an IT technology training and consulting company based out in Dehradun and New Delhi. So in New Delhi, we have our corporate office, and in Dehradun, we have our head office. We also are very much proud to say that we are partnered with industry leaders like Microsoft, IBM, Intel, and also Cloudera, Blockchain Technology Alliance, just to name few. So it gives me an immense pleasure, to talk about Brilica Services. So when we started, this journey back in 2018, so there was only two key players, that is, Pooja Pandey and me. So there were specifically two directors of the organization who were sitting in a cabin and, thinking about how to grow Brilica Services. Now then, from that particular day to this particular moment, so we grew exponentially from a team of 2 to a team of 20 now. Our main key focus area is software development, website designing, technology trainings, and also providing the faculty development program in the various colleges and universities. So we have association with more than 20 colleges and universities across India, and few international clients based out in South Africa and Kenya. To invite all of you to visit Brilica Services and also to experience the services that we provide at Brilica Services. And so we are definitely ready to welcome you. And at the end, I would just like to add on that activate your brilliance at Brilica Services and achieve your IT goals with Brilica Services. Be at Brilica Services.
I'm Pooja Pandey. I'm CEO and Director of Brilica Services. Today I would like to share my journey of starting this business with Mr. Yogendra Singh Negi, CTO and Director of Brilica Services. We started from 2 and now we grew from 2 to 50. It was really tough for us to start this business, and we strongly believe to provide quality training. To our clients and students. I strongly believe that you don't need to care too much about money as long as you love what you do. So here I would like to say today that I am really thankful to everyone who put their efforts and hard work to make this happen. At last, I would like to say, choose Brilica Services, activate your brilliance and achieve your IT goals. Thank you.
This is Trishi Anand and I am working as an HR with Brilica Services Private Limited. I am working here since from last 1 year and it's a very good experience for me. I learn new things each and every day. Like my colleagues and my directors are very supportive and I feel very familiar in Brilica Services. And I would like to go ahead with Brilica Services. And at last I just want to say, just please achieve your goals with the Brilica Services. Technical consultant and let us ask about her experience with Brilica Services.
हाय माय नेम इज़ दीपिका नेगी एंड मैं ब्रिलिका के साथ पिछले 1 साल से वर्क कर रही हूँ एज ए टेक्निकल कंसल्टेंट और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है ब्रिलिका के साथ। मुझे यहाँ पे अपनी पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ दोनों, इवन अगर मैं अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस की बात करूँ तो मुझे इस कंपनी के साथ आके फ़र्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत हाई हुआ है। पहले मैं कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल मेरा पहले बहुत लो था, बट राइट नाउ मैं काफ़ी मोटिवेट हुई कंपनी के साथ वर्क करके। यहाँ पे मुझे टेक्नोलॉजीज़ की भी काफ़ी अच्छे लेवल पे नॉलेज मिली है जो मुझे इससे पहले बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी। इवन मैं इतना अच्छे लेवल पे वर्क कर रही हूँ, मुझे ट्रेनर से बहुत अच्छी गाइड मिलती है, जो इवन हमारे बॉस हैं वो हमें काफ़ी अच्छे कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं हमें हमारे पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल दोनों लेवल्स पे। अगर मैं बाकी चीज़ों की भी बात करूँ तो यहाँ पे मेरी जो पर्सनल स्किल्स है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे लेवल पे एक्सपेंड हुई है। लास्टली मैं आपको ये बोलना चाहूँगी, एक्टिवेट योर ब्रिलियंस एंड अचीव योर IT गोल विद ब्रिलिका सर्विसेज। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your experience with me.
Thank you.
Reviews from our students, so as they can tell कि उन्हें कैसा लग रहा है ट्रेनिंग करके। Excuse me, can I know your good name?
My name is Nitin.
Okay, and your?
My name is Mohammed.
Okay, क्या आप मुझसे थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हो कि आप यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आपका एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है?
Environment बहुत अच्छा है, सब supportive है, all the staff is supportive and most probably my Ayush sir is also supportive
Okay.
to clear our basic things.
Okay.
And it is very healthy environment to study.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we are going to meet our center manager, so please come. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, can you please share your experience with Brilica Services?
Of course, Trishi. Hi, my name is Reena Negi. I am working here as a center manager from last 2 years. Brilica is like a family home for me, and everyone is very humble here. Our boss are very cooperative in nature. Like I have totally freedom here, like in working. Like I schedule the meetings. Arrange the classes. I'm so happy to be the part of Brilica Services. Every day I'm learning something new here. At last, I would like to say that choose Brilica, activate your brilliance and achieve your IT goals. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much ma'am for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you.
Hello ma'am. Hi. Hi. Let's meet our instructor, Miss Manisha Chauhan Negi. So let me ask her what's her experience in Brilica Services.
Hello Rishi. So you have asked me about the experience in Brilica Services. So first of all, I'm working with the Brilica Services from last 3 years, and the difference between which I want to share here is between the Brilica Services and rest of the companies. I've worked in other companies also, but the thing is here we get the opportunities to explore our technologies. To if I say I know the Python, but later on I say okay, I've upgraded myself with other technologies. But the best part of the organization, the management, is that they give us the opportunity to explore ourselves, and they trust in their employees. They trust the trainers. Okay, fine, and they used to motivate us in between. Time to time, they motivate us, and the rest of the staff, the counselors, and the management team is very supportive. Because of that, we are still working with the company, and this is just like we feel whenever we come here, we work with them. So it feels like it's my own, organization. I work with them everyone is very friendly, and at the same time they used to understand our problem. If I say, okay, I'm not able to handle this, any class, any training due to some reasons. So they, once the class is started, once the training is started, they say, okay, fine, it's up to you now. It has to be finished with the quality training, but now it's up to you how you want to finish it. And that's all about the training and the directors of the company, Mr. Yogendra Singh Negi and Pooja Pandey, they both are very understanding and supportive, and rest of the staff is very kind, supportive and friendly. And at the last, I would say activate your brilliance and achieve your IT goals with Brilica Services. So stay connected with Brilica Services.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am for sharing your experience with me.
Thank you, Trishi. Thank you.
Okay, so now we'll have a WhatsApp with our students. Let me ask them what is their experience with Brilica Services. Okay, so can you please share your experience with me?
My name is Abhishek Verma, and I am here for learning a Python course. And I feel like Brilica Services is one of the best institute in Dehradun for learning the new technologies. And staff is very motivating to learn new technologies, and all mentors are well experienced here. Thank you.
Okay, and you at the last piece?
My name is Ayush Rawat. I am here to learn Python. My experience here is, you can say, at an optimal level. All the instructors are well educated, well learned. The communication is very, I can say, the best among us, and yes, I will suggest anyone who comes to Brilica that it is one of the best experience to learn, and you can achieve more things here.
Okay. Let me now introduce our senior most data science instructor, Mr. Ayush Shukla. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Could you please share your experience with Brilica?
Okay, so my name is Ayush and I have experience of 8 years in a data scientist field, and I work as a Java trainer and I'm working as a Python and a data science trainer here. So when we talk about Brilica, it's have a great environment to grow and to work. Everyone in a team is like kind of family. They support you and you can do basically they help you out in each and everything. And when you talk about the directors, they are good, they are helping. So and they help out you whenever at every situation. If you get stuck somewhere, they help you out and they try to resolve your problem, whatever problems you are facing, and they help you with each and everything. It's a place where every person in your team will help you to support and grow. So it's a nice place where you can see yourself even after a few years. If you continue your working, you can see your growth and you can learn so many things.
Okay, hi, what's your name?
I'm Upasna.
Okay, so can you please share your experience with Brilica?
I have been here for almost 2.5 months now, and it has been really great. The instructor really puts in effort to firstly make you understand the concepts, and they rigorously make you practice whatever they teach you, and they are open to any kind of, if you have any doubts or anything, and they're very open, and in fact they encourage you a lot to practice more and get thorough with all the concepts, so that you really kind of master the whole thing. That is what I have been doing.
Okay, very nice. So, okay, what's your good name?
Hi, Kapil.
Okay, can you please share your experience?
Yeah, I'm here from 2 months, and the sir is very polite, and he understands our query, and I love helping. It is my dream to become
Now meet our senior data analytics instructor, Mr. Nandesh. Hello, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
So, could you please introduce yourself and explain your journey with Brilica Services?
Yes, so my name is Nandesh and I have more than 5 years of experience, and with Brilica Services I've been working for 3 years, and I train people on machine learning, data science, deep learning, data analytics courses, which includes tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau and so on. So these are technology that I cover.
Okay. So, how are you feeling with Brilica?
I am feeling great actually. It's been 3 years that I've been working with Brilica Services, and I feel the environment for working in here is very good, and you get complete freedom while working, so that is what I like the most.
Okay. So, thank you so much. And anything you want to say?
So I would like to say, if you want to achieve your IT goals, then please choose Brilica.
Let me introduce you all to our designing expert, Mr. Anshuman. Hi Anshuman.
Hello ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Anshuman Yadav. I am UI UX designer in Brilica Services.
Okay, so how long experience you are having with Brilica?
I'm 3-year experience.
Okay, and tell me something about the environment of Brilica.
Very friendly environment in Brilica. Our directors are very cooperative.
Okay, thank you so much Anshuman.
Okay ma'am.
अब मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराने जा रही हूँ ब्रिलिका सर्विसेज के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट से। चलिए मिलते हैं। हेलो भैया, आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम है दीपक कुमार।
ओके, और आप ब्रिलिका सर्विसेज में कितने टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं?
करीबन मुझे साल भर हो गया।
अच्छा, और आप यहाँ पे क्या क्या वर्क करते हैं?
मैं यहाँ पर हर चीज़ मैनेज करता हूँ।
अच्छा, और कैसा लगता है आपको यहाँ पे?
अच्छा लगता है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच।
धन्यवाद।